guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sequoia Martise, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. I know I've been gone for 2 weeks and I just had some stuff to take care of before I can get back in front of this camera, but I'm back and better. So this look was inspired by Death to My 20s and Welcoming My 30s. It's a black and silver eyeshadow look. It's simple, it's easy, anybody can do it. It's very beginner friendly. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because why not? I'm amazing and you would love to be here with me. And for those of you wondering, my birthday is June 18th. I will be 30. Hold the applause, because not a lot of us are ready for that, but can't stop time now, can we? Anyways, let's get into this video. Welcome back, welcome back. So we're doing this silver and gray black look to go along with my 30th birthday shoot. So what I did was I went in with the black. Now black is normally very intimidating because black can get messy. So what I'm doing is I'm going slowly in to my creases, well, above my creases, and I'm tapping it in. I'm not swiping yet. I'm just tapping it into that corner because I want it to look nice and neat. So I'll just tap, 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 just tap, 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 and keep going until it looks right to you. As you can see, I kept going in with my black to make it a little bit darker. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to blend out the edges, a clean brush, but it has some product because I did my other eye off camera. But what I'm doing now is I'm blending out the edges in a circular motion, and then I'm going to go back and forward like a windshield wiper motion, and that kind of smooths out the edges so you don't have a harsh stop when you stop using the black. Now if you notice, I did that over the whole eyeshadow lid, and I'm not rushing doing this look. I'm taking my time. I mean, I was in crunch time because I had a photo shoot that I was running late for, but I made sure not to rush the makeup look, because once you mess up black, you might as well just wipe the eye off and start up again. So I'm kind of taking my time with the black and making sure it's blended out evenly. After blending that black out, I'm just going to go in with a white eyeshadow and start putting it over the base to kind of mix it together. With the white on the bottom of the silver, it makes the silver pop when you put it on. So that's what I'm doing, and as I'm going, I'm making sure to blend both of them very well to make sure it's a smooth look when I'm finished. So now that I've blended out that white, I'm just going to go back in with some black eyeshadow, because when I blended, I kind of took most of the black off. So I'm just adding back on some more black to help the black pop that's on my eye. I know I'm saying a lot of black, but shoot, what the heck. And then I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend out the edges again, but not too much to where the black kind of looks like it's not there. Not that it's not there, but make it to look more vibrant. There we go, vibrant. It makes it look more vibrant. Now I'm going in with the silver, and this is just out of any palette. You don't really need a necessary, like, you don't need a name, but I'm using a silver sparkly eyeshadow to go in and just blend that all on my eye. And I am piling it on. I'm not swiping, I'm kind of like tapping it on because the silver took a while to get on. But once it was on, it looked very nice. See, I'm tapping it, tapping it, tapping it. I'm not swiping at all. You don't want to swipe because sometimes you can make a mess, basically. As you can see, I had some fallout from the glitter eyeshadow on my eye. You just take a makeup wipe. Y'all, I can't twerk. Oh my gosh, I can't talk for crap when I'm recording. Anyways, I had a lot of fallout, so I decided to take a makeup wipe and wipe it off. That's all you need for that. And that's it for this look. It's very simple, very quick. You just go with what feels right with you. Just make sure you blend well and you take your time. And the rest of this video is just me beating my face, which I don't think you guys need a voiceover for. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl's channel. Bye now. Enjoy the video.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and pitch, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, high that they got, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right that they got, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on really, it's a screenshot, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting tense on, think we need to have a son and friendship, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go put my lashes on, do my lips and stuff, and I'll be back.
Turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.